5 crazy prompts I tried on Google Whisk. Shocking results. So I gave Google Whisk some of the craziest prompts I could think of. And honestly, the results shocked me. Let's see what this free AI tool can really do. Prompt 1.
A cat DJing at Coachella?
Prompt 2. Abraham Lincoln taking a selfie. Prompt 3. A futuristic NFL game on Mars. Prompt 4. A horror-style haunted White House. Prompt 5. A surreal city floating upside down in the sky, with neon jellyfish swimming through the clouds, flying taxis shaped like giant koi fish, and a colossal moon made of glass shattering into glowing fragments. Cyberpunk colors, ultra-detailed, cinematic lighting, chaotic yet beautiful composition in the style of futuristic fantasy realism. Some of these look straight up professional, and remember, this is totally free. Comment below your wildest prompt idea and I'll try it in my next video. And if you want more AI experiments, hit that subscribe.